I have a question for you. Does the seasoning make the meal? Hi, I'm Kevin Eikenberry, and I'm here to help you reach your potential as a leader and a human being. Welcome to Remarkable TV and the Remarkable Leadership Podcast. Make sure you hit the subscribe button wherever you're watching or listening so you don't miss any future episodes. Are you ready? Let's get started. Seasonings. Right? Welcome to Kevin's Kitchen. We're going to talk about seasonings for a minute. You might be wondering why we're talking about seasonings. Let's think about seasonings for a second. Imagine you have a great dish, but you want to make it just a little bit better. And so then you say, well, what could I do to spice this up or make it just a little better? And you might say, I want to find the right seasoning. So maybe I want some cloves, or maybe I want some basil. I probably don't want both of those at the same time. But what's the seasoning that might just take what I've done and make it just that much better, that much more tasty? But whenever you pick one, let me tell you what you do know. You don't need a lot of it. You need to sprinkle just a little onto the dish or into the recipe to make the difference. See, here's the thing about seasoning. It won't take something that's really awful and make it good, but it can take something that's good and make it great. So now let's go out of the kitchen, because you're wondering, Kevin, this is not a cooking show. We are very clear about that. Here's the thing. If we go out of the kitchen and bring this into work, the first thing is to know that one small change won't fix a poor leader. Like if as a leader you've got a lot of challenges, it's not going to be a little tweak that's going to make a difference. But if you are a good leader and you want to get better, and I'm guessing if you're watching me, you really do want to get better. And so now seasonings come into play. So pick one skill that you want to work on. It's like picking one seasoning. You're not going to put 7 more things on. You don't want to work on 7 skills at once. Pick one and then sprinkle a little bit of that skill on top of the stuff you're already doing well. And if you do that, it will make all the difference. You're being intentional. You're taking priorities in terms of what do you want to do to get better. And the idea is one little thing at a time. Work on one and then try another one and then try another one, sprinkling just a little bit to take your good leadership behaviors and results and making them even better. Let me close with today's remarkable reminder. If you are a good leader, small changes can make a big difference, just like the right amount of seasoning will make the meal. If you like this idea and you see, well, this crazy guy is kind of entertaining, then I really think you should join us for Virtual LeaderCon, September 22nd through 25th. Now, we're going to have 3 experts joining me each day for those 4 days, but I want to take us back to our seasonings. And I want you to look at the agenda and pick one thing that you don't want to miss. Now, you may want to join us for more, and we'd love to have you, but I want you to pick the one seasoning, the one session, the one skill that will make a difference for you. Mark it on your calendar and make sure you join us. VirtualLeaderCon.com. Registering is free. Make sure you do it, and make sure you invite other leaders like you, of like mind, who want to get better and make a bigger difference to join us too. VirtualLeaderCon.com.